In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to overlay text on an image in Webflow. Start by heading to your Webflow sites, then open your dashboard so you can access the project you want to edit. From the project card, click Open in Webflow to launch the designer. Once you're in, you'll see the canvas in the middle and panels along the sides. Click the highlighted area on the canvas to select the section or block that will hold your image and text. If you're unsure what's selected, open the structure panel to confirm the element hierarchy and make sure you're working with the right wrapper. With that wrapper selected, open the style controls and navigate to the backgrounds area. Click Choose Image, then pick an image from your assets or upload a new one. Confirm the selection using the highlighted prompts until the image appears as the background of the selected element. If you don't see it at first, make sure you're still on the same highlighted element and not a nested child. The structure panel view helps here. Next, prepare your text. Open the typography controls so you can quickly set a font, weight, and color that will contrast well against the image. Click the highlighted text element on the canvas. This can be a heading or text block already in your layout, and style it as needed. If you're selecting it from the canvas, keep an eye on the highlights to ensure you've got the text itself, not the parent container. To position the text over the image, first select the image wrapper again and set its position to relative. This doesn't move anything yet. It simply tells Webflow that any absolutely positioned children will be anchored to this element. Leave other values like z-index on auto unless you have a specific stacking need. Now select the text element and open the position controls. Change its position to absolute so it can sit on top of the image. You'll see offset fields appear for top, right, bottom, and left. Use the highlighted inputs to place the text where you want it. For this example, enter 178 in the appropriate offset fields as shown, which nudges the text into the exact spot indicated on screen. If the text isn't where you expect, double-check that the parent is relative and the text is absolute, then fine-tune the offsets until it looks right. A quick tip: if legibility is an issue, increase contrast with a darker text color, a bolder weight, or by choosing a less busy image. That's it. You've overlaid text on an image in Webflow with precise control.